Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all pumpkin themed and also in nice beautiful blue and orange color. So let's start with DIY number 1, and this is one of the cute pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the back part and I'm going to use this white and black chalk paint to get like nice bluish gray, and I'm just giving like 2 coats, and this is how it looks after 2 coats are done. I'm actually drawing the pumpkin lines. Actually, I'm just removing the paint to show the silver lining there. And I also took some of this wooden letters which says hello autumn, and I mixed 2 of this orange and yellow and brown color to get this beautiful tone. And after it's dried, I'm just sticking this wooden letters on top of the pumpkin, and this is one of the wooden sign that I'm going to stick this pumpkin to it. So I'm just find the right spot, and I'm taking like generous amount of hot glue onto the back of the pumpkin like you're seeing, just like so all around. And I'm going to stick this onto this beautiful wooden board which has got nice shiplap back and also got like beautiful wooden grain on it. I just love this wooden board, and I just stuck this into the center of this wooden sign, and I'm going to stick some of this beautiful greenery and florals which are in the same color as these letters are, and some of this yellow orange poppy flower in the center, and some greenery, and to decorate all the fall florals and greenery around it to finish the look. And this is one of the cute hello autumn sign that I'm very much happy with. I just love that beautiful bluish gray tone with this orange yellow together. And yeah, this is one of the cute DIY. I'm very much happy with the end result. I hope you would like it too, so please let me know your thoughts. This video will be part of Pumpkin Party Challenge, and this is hosted by Ellie DIY From House to Home, and Tami Happiness Created, and CeeJ from CeeJ DIYs. And I'm going to leave the crafting channels link in my description box of all these 3 creative ladies, and also a link for the huge playlist with lot of ideas. So please watch all of her videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use this beautiful pumpkin sign which has S on it, and I'm going to use the back part because I have planned to do something with the front. So I'm going to leave the bow as is, and I'm starting to paint the same gray mixture, like white and black chalk paint mixture that we used earlier, and I'm painting all over it. 1 coat was good enough, and I let it dry. While that's drying, I'm going to work on this beaded pumpkin sign that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and by this time this dried, and I'm going to take generous amount of hot glue in the center of this beaded pumpkin sign, and I'm going to stick exactly to this pumpkin in the center. And this is one of the pumpkin sign from another pumpkin that I picked up, and I painted the same orange and yellow paint on it, and I drew this pumpkin lines with this black marker, and taking generous amount of hot glue, I am sticking this in the center of this cute wooden pumpkin, and that's all it needs. It looks so pretty as is. I love this white beads and this grayish blue tone in the back, and these 2 pumpkins are exactly in the same size, and it looks like something I bought from the store, isn't it? At least I think like that. And this is such a cute sign that I'm very much happy with. I think this is my favorite today. I don't know, I think so far this is my favorite. So please let me know your thoughts. I just love it though. to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this foam pumpkin, and I'm painting with the same mixture of orange and yellow together. And I'm also taking this antiquing wax, and I'm just highlighting the ridges of the pumpkin just like so. This is how it looks, and this is one of the cute a container that I got from Dollar Tree. I just love this buffalo plate on it and the colors on it, so I just filled with a lot of shopping bags. On top of it, I just covered with the Spanish moss, and I'm going to place this painted pumpkin on top of it. And then I have this white pumpkin, which is a nice velvet tone to it, and this is like a neck size to it. And I just pulled the top part of the pumpkin, and I wanted to attach that to the another pumpkin, which has this a smaller size than this white pumpkin. So I'm just making a hole, and since it's a styrofoam, it's easy to poke a hole. And I inserted that top part of the pumpkin to this last pumpkin, and I'm attaching all these three, stacking one on each other using hot glue. And after it's stuck, I'm also taking some of this tiny sunflower and florals and greenery, and I just stuck greenery everywhere, here and there in between the pumpkins, to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? I just love this bluish gray tone. I actually incorporated these colors in all the other DIYs today. So yeah, I wanted to look all these cohesive collection together. And look how beautiful this bucket is, which is beautiful buffalo plate in those two colors. And I haven't seen combination of these two, so I thought it's unique. I thought I should implement this in all the DIYs today. And yeah, this is one of the stacked pumpkin decor that I'm very much happy with. I hope you like it. So yeah, this is another one that I want to share with y'all. Please let me know your thoughts. These are some of my social media handles if you'd like to connect with me. And this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, you guys, in bluish gray and orangish yellow toned together. And I'm very much happy with all the DIYs today, and I wanted to know which one is your favorite and you would like to give any suggestions. I love to hear that. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If it's something that you like and you would want to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updates when I upload videos like this. And I wanted to thank all of you for the sweetest and kindest comments that you all leave, and that makes my day, you guys. And I can't even thank enough. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm very grateful. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.